Rockets Gaming Channel. So for today's video, guys, we're in here in Hangout Filipino game. So this is a Filipino game. So in Roblox. So we need to support it. It's Filipino. We're Filipino. Oh my gosh. So oh my god. Oh my god. What's that? Guys, what was that? Is that a zombie or something? Is that a monster or something? Okay, cool. Oh my god, she's crazy. She's crazy. She's looking like a Chanak, guys, or something. And guys, look, there's a box on stage or something. And this, what is this? Oh my god. There's a mic and there's a church only. There's only. Okay. There's a church in here. Oh my god, there's some people. There's some people. Okay. So we can father hot dog. Oh my god. I'm gonna say a question. Oh, why cannot? Maybe in the chat. Yeah, I'm gonna say hoy. Okay, guys. I don't know what happened in here. Something happened. Oh my god, what happened? Something happening, guys. Oh my god. What happened? Okay, they saying donation. Okay, I'm gonna say, what on earth is that thing? That look like a chanak? Oh, no, I don't want to say it. I'm just gonna go outside. This didn't look like a normal game at all. Oh my god, what on earth? Oh my god. She's crazy. What? This is like a PBB house, guys. This is look like a PBB house, but there is no room or something. Oh, this is what on earth is that? It look like a bench or a couch or what? What is that? Look, it's a chanak. Oh my god. Lumilipad. May aso. Look at the girl said. May aso. May aso. May aso daw. Okay, my sister joined me right now.
Guys, ang hirap umakyat.
Okay.
na nga ako.
Oh, may baseball!
What?
Ay, balot. It look like hapunan, guys.
Yeah, yun hapunan, yung nag-jump scare yung grandma.
Yeah,
Si
guys,
Miss Jump Scare tawag ko.
if you want us to...
Use my phone
No,
in
yeah,
my account, we're gonna play hapunan, guys.
Yeah, just comment down below.
Yeah, so right
And-
now, I'm just gonna make a video para
Can I
tayo...
eat this? Oh, no, we can't. So, guys, I'm gonna draw in this building.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I'm gonna draw happy face.
So,
In a red color. Look.
hi guys! So, me and my sister are vlogging. So, my sister is actually making a circle with a happy face. So, right now, I do not care. But for me, I cannot color.
Okay, guys, I
So,
can
guys,
do.
I'm gonna change my clothes. Avatar.
Hey, you can change your avatar.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hindi, dun sa may nakalagay na damit-damit.
Where on earth is that?
So, guys, let's change my avatar. Yung may damit-damit, pero hindi mo makikita.
Guys, donate, please, donate.
Donate us if you want. If you want
Oh my
me
god, this is Chanak.
or my Chanak.
Yeah, look, oh.
Si Miss Chanak. Nandyan na si Miss Chanak.
Chanak. Boot for rent. I'm gonna claim this boot.
So, guys, hello.
Okay.
So, I'm just making my
What-
avatar look
what the-
weird. I do not know why.
Boot owned by Hello Kitty. Oh, it's mine! The boot is mine! This
yours?
is mine, look. Oh. Boot owned by Hello Kitty. Okay, it's just a rent. Okay. Okay, it's mine. Nigger place. Okay, what's this?
So,
Who solved merienda? Hello, hello. Inasal! Inasal to!
Eh?
Guys, it's inasal but there
Wait
is
lang,
no
guys.
people.
I have to do it once again.
But pinalitan nila yung pangalan, ni-replace na. Yung inasal natin, guys.
Inasal?
Hindi tayo papayag dun. Kidding. Okay, ang ganda ng upuan na to. Okay. Super.
Wait lang, pag nag-reset ka,
Uy, ano to?
babalikin.
Uy, may flashlight ako nakita.
Ate, pag nag-reset ka, babalikin ka?
Eh? Uy, may flashlight ako nakita.
May flashlight ka nakita?
Pupunta tayo sa basurahan ko. Uy, nawala yung bus.
Ate, nasan ako?
I do not know.
Nahulog ako sa madilim na place.
Lo. Okay, mapahulog tayo sa
Okay,
madilim.
guys, natatakot na ako. Ba't
Guys.
ako doon?
Look. I'm gonna jump. Eee.
So, guys, wala akong flashlight.
Guys, buti na lang may flashlight ako. May kita ko, nakakatakot.
Nugget place? Di ba ito yung mag-inasal?
Okay, naboboring na ako, guys. Naboboring na ako.
Nugget place is mag-inasal.
I know. That's what I say earlier. You just copy what I said.
Where the hell is the clothing shop? Ate, let's go clothing.
Clothing?
Yeah, ito sa avatar editor.
But where on earth are you? Oh, that's my sister.
Guys, I'm the one who's jumping, so I'm gonna demit na. So, magpapalit na ako, guys. Baka, ang ingay naman ng motor na yun, ah. Ikaw, naririnig
I
mo?
cannot.
Just press it. Open. Open.
I cannot because you're done with me. I'm gonna customize my book.
Customize ko nga yung buhok ko, eh. Pati damit ko.
Look, sabi. Kit. Sana
So, guys, naglalaro kami ng kapatid ko. Kaya wag kayo
What do I
magtaka.
said? May tiyanak. De, joke lang.
May tsama.
What do I say? I don't know what do. Just happy face or something.
Black. Wings. Jacket. Dress. Ano
Okay,
ba?
what happened? Okay, I'm gonna write. Oh my god, what happened? Something happening today. I do not know what's happening. Okay, I do not know what to say.
Hala, ang nakakainis.
Sino yun, Lance? Oh my god. Ano pa sinasabi yun? Hindi ko kayo maintindihan lahat.
Yan, perfect.
Oh, wow. Wow, cool.
So,
Ganda ng suot mo today.
kapatid ko, hindi niya naiintindihan lahat.
I cannot interact. So this is my sister. Look at me, Ken.
So, I'm just dressing up, guys. If
Yeah.
you don't know. So, the person who is talking is actually my sister, so don't care.
Yeah, don't care about. Oh my god!
Don't care about her.
What happening to this Filipino?
Ayun, kasya na!
Look, oh.
So,
I'm gonna
guys,
eat balut.
magdedemit na ako.
It's a balut, guys. I can't. Oh my god! Look at me.
Wait lang, guys.
Oh my god, what's happening to me?
Teka lang, nasaan yun?
Nandito ako.
I do not know what's happening with my sister right now.
Okay, I'm dancing like a cat. You do not know.
Try on.
I'm push-upping.
Hala! Ano nangyari sa akin?
You're too loud.
What in the world happened to me?
Okay.
So guys, hindi ko na alam ano nangyayari sa akin.
Oh my god.
Guys, you know I'm freaking out, right? Do you guys know that I'm freaking out? Like I'm literally freaking out.
Okay, there's a flashlight in here. I'm gonna say in here.
Guys, natatakot ako.
Like-
Kanina pa.
Like,
Pag ako nakakita ng jump scare, magagalit ako. At naiinis ako sa
Ay, mali.
tricycle.
Ulit.
Tsaka naiinis ako sa tricycle yung kanina pa pumupunta dito. Tsaka paano ang kulay?
Kaya hindi na ayos guys yung sulat ko kasi gawa
So,
na.
yeah. Paano ko to gagawain?
Kitlip mo rin.
Wala naman kasi natin.
Ino.
Ano sabi?
Ang papangit niya.
Ba't mo sinabi yun?
Yung may tiyanak kasi. Oh, you Did you just get? Are you a baby?
Bacon girl. Be? Sabi ko bacon girl, hindi bacon na girl. Ate, tingnan mo. Ate, sabi ko bacon girl, tapos nakalagay bacon na girl. So, hi guys,
Okay na lang.
So, tingnan natin yung avatar. I hate animation! Baba. Head. Shit! Side in. Wala akong pumalagay yung magandang...
Okay, save. Here, mama.
So ano, yung ate ko nagbibideo sa tablet, tapos ako nagbibideo sa cellphone.
I ain't doing your laundry. I ain't your mama.
Ito ba?
Guys,
Ano
if
ba
you...
gusto ko?
Ilay ka na naman.
Ito ba? Hindi. Ayoko yan.
Oh, pastok by Boy Abunda.
Ano?
Nasaan ba yung pastok? Pinahabol ko yung pastok. O yung papapastok tayo.
Ito, black yung buhok ko. Perfect. Guys, magpupuro black ako na yun. Ate, magpupuro black ako na yun.
You need to like the game and join to your our
So guys, if you
hot
want
dog.
to join... Guys, if you want to join my...
Hot dog. Oh my god.
Ang kulit mo naman, ate.
Ay,
May sinasabi ako eh.
sorry naman.
So guys, if you want to join my channel, just subscribe, like and subscribe if you want to join. If you want to be in one of our channels, right? Ate!
Yes.
She completely forgot what I was saying.
Because I'm playing, you know. Okay. So,
So,
guys.
where is he? Aray ko.
Okay, guys. So,
Natusok
I'm
ako! I completely forgot that I was recording. So guys, listen yung short. Eh? Ano ba?
I'm not great at
Bakit?
doing. I'm not great.
Ano ba?
I'm not great at ano.
T-shirt. Nasaan ba yung shorts?
Okay. Okay.
Fine.
Okay, guys. So. Okay.
Ay, nako.
So I think I'm just gonna die. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Girls.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! So.
Pink.
So many dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. So guys, that's all. If you want to join our
Pink skirt.
like if you want to friend in magtatagalog na lang. Kung gusto niyo po mag-join sa aming Roblox. Pag nag-friend, ganun. Okay, nahihirapan na ako.
So guys, maglalagay ako
Okay,
ng
kung gusto
nickname.
niyo lang po
Yung
mag-join
nickname
sa
ko ay
Roblox
YouTuber
namin.
Girl.
Okay.
Actually, YouTuber Kate.
Okay.
Yun ang nickname ko sa
tama na.
Roblox.
So, guys, kung gusto niyo lang mag-join sa amin, just
Put our nickname.
nope. just subscribe and click the notification bell so you can watch our old videos and new videos.
Yeah, and I do not know what I look like, so I'm
And
gonna
guys,
check.
I-comment
Yeah,
nyo lang
pangit.
yung...
Sabi ko, puro black. Puro pink naman sinuot ko.
Guys, comment nyo lang po yung inyong pangalan in Roblox so pwede namin i-search and titignan namin kung kayo yung naka-subscribe or not.
Yes.
That's all. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Don't forget to subscribe. Pero guys, I'm not gonna finish this video.
Bye-bye! Boom!